Hello guys, Crypto here. Hope everyone's doing well. In this video we're going to be talking about Pundi X and the NPXS step-by-step guide to swap for Pundi X official article by Pundi X Labs on the official Twitter. But guys, I'd also like to say sorry for not posting for 2 days. I've been very sick. Like, not sick, but I've been ill. But yeah guys, the schedule is back to normal daily posts. If you like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe and put on post notifications on so you can see when I post a video straight away. So first we'd like to start off in CoinMarketCap. Oh wait, and I'd also like to say thanks guys. We're nearly at 200 subscribers. I'm so grateful for all you guys. Thank you so much. So now we'd also like to start off on CoinMarketCap, where Pundi X is currently rank 60. It is 0.007 cents and is just around 0.20 going down in the 24 hours. So now we'd like to go into the article. Step-by-step guide for NPXS on-chain swap to Pundi X. NPX is now Pundi X. Starting from the 30th of March 2021, we will officially begin the token reduction swap for NPXS token to Pundi X token after taking the poll result. Product roadmap committee feedback and the market condition in consideration. Pundi X is the new token ticker representing the company and will be native token in Pundi X ecosystem, XPOS, XPass, and X Wallet. You can swap your NPXS token for Pundi X token until 29th of March 2022. Please note that 1000 NPXS equals 1 Pundi X. Guys, I'm so happy that NPXS is swapping to Pundi X's. NPXS is such a tongue twister. And also guys, yeah, that's just made me happy because it's such a tongue twister. The Pundi X token contract address, and here it is here, as you can see. This article will be linked down below in the description. The total supply of Pundi X is this number here, guys. I'm not trying to say anything wrong right now, but yeah, that number there. The swap ratio between NPXS and Pundi X is 1000 to 1. We are officially kicking off the token redomination process. The good thing is, if your NPXS token are currently in exchange or X wallet, you don't need to do anything. They will automatically swap your NPXS to Pundi X. Since the swap will last 1 year, different exchanges have their own timeline to support. Please check with your exchanges when and how to support the swap. To see the participating exchanges, you can read this announcement. So guys, remember, you can read all of this in the description down below. For those who store NPXS or wish to swap in private wallet, there are two options. Here is a step-by-step guide. Option 1. Swap your NPXS to Pundi X via FX wallet. Download the wallet on the official website, and then you can download the wallet. Send NPXS tokens and ETH to your FX wallets. You can find the NPXS and ETH address. They are the same address by tapping the token icon. Then click the address. The menu of this address will pop up. Simply choose Receive to copy the address. Once you have tokens in the wallet, click the button at your lower right hand side and visit CryptoBank page. You can see the NPXS swap section. Click on swap now to start. Guys, read all this carefully and do it correctly, and just make sure you take your time and get everything correct, as if you do anything wrong, you're not covered in any way. So just make sure you be careful, guys. CryptoBank NPXS for domination swap. NPXS is now Pundi X. Swap your NPXS for Pundi X tokens, and then you can swap as the instructions above. Before the swap, make sure you select the wallet address that has the NPXS tokens, and this address has sufficient ETH for the swap transaction gas fee. So guys, make sure that the NPXS tokens and this address has sufficient ETH, which is Ethereum, for the swap transaction gas fee. So make sure, guys, you got sufficient Ethereum for the swap transaction gas fees. Then click the next button to process the swap transaction. After transaction is sent, your Pundi X token will arrive into your wallet, and then it shows you what should happen. If the Pundi X token don't show on your asset page, just click plus to add Pundi X to your asset list. Option 2, swap on the official website. This is only official link to the swap site. Guys, make sure that you always go through the official links, as people could try and steal your coins or just do anything. So always press, guys, the official link when doing stuff like this, as it can be very just bad. So always press the link, which is right here. If your NPXS is in another blockchain wallet such as MetaMask, Token, or the Ledger wallet, please follow the instructions below. Step 1. Visit the swap link and connect your wallet to process. If you are using MetaMask, you can connect your wallet via MetaMask. If you are using Token, Trust Wallet, or any other wallets that have the Wallet Connect function, you can connect your wallet via Wallet Connect. If you are using a hardware wallet Ledger, you can connect your wallet via Ledger, which is what most people I've heard use is a Ledger Nano S or Ledger Nano X, which I have a Ledger Nano X. Please make sure your wallet has sufficient ETH for the swap transaction gas fee. Guys, it keeps saying this, so just make sure that you have enough ETH for the swap transaction gas fee. Approve your NPXS to swap ETH gas fees to be charged for approval. Let me read that again, sorry. Approve your NPXS to swap ETH gas fee to be charged for approval. Complete the swap transaction, ETH gas fee to be charged for place order. And then it shows you pictures of what it should look like once these steps are completed. After the transaction succeeds, your Pundi X token will arrive in your wallet. If you don't see the Pundi X on your wallet, please add Pundi X via the contract address, this huge address here. Make sure it's all correct. Go through it, and yeah, guys, beware of scammers. Please triple check before you swap your NPX tokens. Here is a list of Pundi X official communication channels. Guys, always beware of scammers and beware of what you're doing. As I said before, always try and go on official websites, as that is the safest way. And yeah, so you can go to the communication channels, the blog, the Telegram group, which is very good, the Telegram news channel, the Twitter, the Facebook, the Instagram, X wallet support, and yeah, so that is the end of the step-by-step guide. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and go follow my TikTok, guys, Crypto Thailand, for daily content. And that's me out. Peace. I'll see you later, guys.